We were thrilled with the results. They exceeded our expectations, delivering better terms, faster, with higher confidence than we expected through the process. FFL invested in Icynene in November of 2014. Part of our investment thesis was to drive economies of scale through investments in organic growth, investments in the sales force and product capabilities, but also through acquisitions. Our investment in Lappola through Icynene was really in support of scale and supply chain synergies. Relationships in this business are incredibly important, and we chose Baird because we trust them, and we knew that they would put our interests first in trying to get this incredibly important deal done. And the businesses have come together very nicely.
There were a few unique attributes of the Lappola acquisition that made it an important value add to have a debt advisor alongside us in the process. It was a public company, which meant that this was a very tight process. There was a lot of complexity to the transaction. We needed to be able to clearly explain and support those to our lending sources. The partnership with Baird on this deal process was really a broad-based one. We had the debt advisory team that was really fully integrated with our deal team on the process and our interactions with the lenders. And we had exposure to the industrials team. Baird really had an extensive Rolodex that they brought to the table. And what they brought that was really differentiated for me was an understanding of each of the lenders and gave us an insight into how to interact that was very difficult for us to replicate. We really think we got market-leading terms. We had a lot of options with a number of well-established lenders to choose from, and we were able to execute the transaction, complete the take private on a very compressed timeline. We've had a long-term relationship with the Baird team. We initially came in based on the trust we have in the Baird platform, but we come out as a true believer in the standalone capabilities of the debt advisory platform and what they are able to accomplish.